On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 5-minute tortellini soup. And believe you me, this one's worth making. Let's get to cooking. All right, so first things you want to do is brown your Italian sausage. Now, this is the Italian sausage I like to use. If you want it in the casing, just pull it out of the casing, or you can cut it up, but this is what I'm doing. So what we're going to do here is just brown this sausage. Then we're going to add our onions, our garlic, chicken stock, beef stock, fire roasted tomatoes, tortellini, and of course, tomato paste. So we got our Italian sausage browning up, scraping that bottom. Go ahead and add your onions. God, it smells fantastic. I'm gonna leave them onions in there for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. Come on now. Gonna season this with our Italian rub. If you're not part of the Kosmos Q Lab, I'll have a link down below. Go over there, sign up. We do these special drops sometimes 2-3 times a month. This is a great rub too. Just a couple tablespoons. And then I'll season it at the end too. Oh man. All right, let's get this garlic in here. Once it becomes aromatic, I'll go ahead and go in with the rest of our ingredients here. I'm going in with our chicken broth. What is this, 4 cups? 4 cups chicken broth. 2 cups beef broth. 1 14.5-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. Just stir this in. Now, I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Once I get it to a boil, I'm gonna turn it down. God, it smells amazing. We got 10 ounces of cheese tortellini. This is the tortellini that I chose because we already got the meat in here, so I chose cheese. Kind of wishing right now I had about 20 ounces of this, but you know, 10 ounces of work. There we go. Now she's ripping. I love this little burner. I got a shout out. He didn't even know he showed me this burner, but my boy AB, you ever watch this channel, Cooking and Grilling with AB? He had this burner and I was like, oh, I need that burner. And now I'm the proud owner, 2 of them. All right, in with the tortellini. Yeah, there we go. Hey Siri, set a timer for 6 minutes. Now, baby spinach. You can use arugula. I'm going in with the entire bag. Everything's coming together. Freshly grated Parmesan. Voila. This looks, I think this is my best one I've ever made. Holy shit. This is good, dude. That's just broth. I'm gonna burn my mouth. The spinach, believe it or not, brings this whole thing together and makes it work. That Italian rub, that is the best Italian rub I've ever tasted, hands down. But that's what we do at Kosmos. We didn't invent barbecue, we just make it better. Much in the same way, I didn't invent tortellini soup, I just made it better. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off, make it for yourself, and thank me later. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. I know the rest of you vultures are wanting some. We used to drink on these videos.
You know, we can bring that back.